Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn that how we can change the default animations of Invector template. So when we create our player in Invector, it has very nice animations which are built-in animations or comes with Invector, but certain time we need to change the animations. So for that purpose, you can just download your animations from Mixamo or any other place if you have, and then you can download the animation, and you already know the method of downloading animation from Mixamo, and then we will import that animation into Unity. So I will just drag drop this animation here maybe, and then we will just open the animation. We will select this animation, and in inspector we will find rig option where we have to make it humanoid, and then we will click on apply. Also we can just go to animations, and here you can see we have certain parameters. So for the better result, we can just make it bake into loop, okay, and we can get the original here, okay, original parameter. Also for this we will select the original, and we can make it bake into pose as well. We don't need a loop, so that's fine, okay. And the z-axis will be center of mass, and we will just click on apply. So now this animation is ready to use for our animator controller. So if we extend it, you can see dive roll animation, it's here. So if we move to our main player, and if we double click on animator, you will see that we have this animator, and in this animator you can see a lot of things, and inside actions we have this roll action. So if we select roll, then if we double click, we can find this animation clip here, okay. This is the motion, and the speed is 1.2, so it will be a little bit fast. So if we want to change, we can just drag drop that animation into this in this slot. So let's move to animations, and we will select roll animation. We will just add dive roll animation here, and that's it. We have successfully changed our roll animation. And similarly, you can do this for ladder, jump over, climb up, step up, open chest, get item, key card, and lot of other animations. For even every animation, you can just change the main clip. So let's play the game, and let's test that if it is applied or not. So let's see. If we press Q, we will roll, hopefully. So Unity is taking time again, and I will restart Unity after this video. So yeah, so now our game is started, and now if we move and if we press Q, you can see that our animation is changed. Yeah, and one problem with this animation is that when we press Q, it yeah, actually it's fine, it's almost fine, okay. So that's nice. So we have successfully changed the animation, default animation, to our own animation. So in this way you can change all animations for run, for walk, for shoot, even for everything you want. That's it for this video. In next video we will move further, and we will create a custom action with Invector.